everyone. Before this video starts, today I'm going to show you how to float in horse riding tails. So let's get started. So you'll see a hill over here where you can tame the horse. And let's get on top of the hill. Yeah. Oh, careful. We don't want to be too fast or else we may miss it like that. Alright, there. Now you'll have to slowly, or maybe if you can do it fast, it's fine. Like that. And then you can dismount. Go here. And then you'll have to click animations and then rear. And then make sure to call your horse. And rear. Well, not rear. Okay. So let's now mount it. And there am I. So, yeah. I'm floating, everybody! Yay! I hope. Alright, there. I'm floating. Hello. I'm floating. Hey. I'm like literally circling around right now. Alright, so if you want to get into the pen with your horse, you have to dismount. And then you become that. And then you call your horse. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.